kill feed will be in the form of sulfur, sulfide, polysulfide. That its source is pyritic sulfur will be oxidized to SO₂. 4. Behavior of sulfur compound in rotary kiln system. 1. One of the most important factors that determine how much of sulfur is captured in the rotary kiln system, and how much emitted from it is the presence of oxidation, or reduction condition in the rotary kiln system. 2. In some rotary kilns identical with the same type of burner and same materials in the same plant, one can find sulfur in the clinker is about 1.1 to 1.2%, while the other rotary kiln sulfur percentage in the clinker will be 0.35 to 0.4%. 3. In the first case there is oxidation condition in the rotary kiln, in the second case an reduction condition. 4. One of the worst mistakes in regard to rotary kiln burner is to permit for a direct contact between the flame and the material.